Welcome back to AlphaCars and Motorcycles. My name is Ian, and today we're taking a quick look at the Ural Hand Shifter for two-wheel drive and reverse. We will get to see this installed on a machine and in action in just a couple minutes here, so definitely stay tuned for that. But these are the parts that you get with the kit that we sell on our store, so this will be linked in the description and the video. So we can see we have the linkages here in the shifter assembly itself. Just want to point out really how high quality this stuff is. The paint job's really good. The welds are all really nice. As we can see here, the action of how this works is like super smooth, very well thought out and designed. The linkages here, the joints that they use, there's no play in them, and they're incredibly smooth. So this is going to be a very precise item to use, as it's very precisely engineered with high quality components. So now let's take a look at it installed on our Ural and learn how to use it. So this is a Ural owned by a regular customer of ours, and he just had us install the reverse and two-wheel drive levers. So we can see that lower one for two-wheel drive and the upper one for reverse. And now let me start it up and show you the operation. So first, let's put it in two-wheel drive. To do that, we'll be in neutral or first gear, clutch pulled in, and then this lever down here, you're just gonna pull it up towards the gas tank, and there you go, you're in two-wheel drive. So we'll take it back out, and now reverse. So for reverse, you gotta be in neutral, and with the clutch in, and then you just push the lever forward. And now we're in reverse. So ready, we'll start moving backwards here. And now you just pull it back, and we're back in neutral, pop it into first, and away we go. So I'll show you one more time. Put it in neutral, pull the clutch, right into reverse, and then right back out. So this has just been a quick overview on the two-wheel drive and reverse lever setup that we sell on our online store. We do have instructions linked in the listing in our store. So that's very helpful if you're going to attack this yourself. If you want to have someone else do it for you, definitely reach out to us at AlphaCars. We can help you there and go over the details. So with that, I hope this video has been informative. If it has, please leave a like and consider subscribing to not miss any more exciting content.